Question number 2. Here we are given two complex numbers and we are trying to add them. So here's our first complex number and this one the second one. What is a complex number? Well, a complex number is made up of two parts, no? There's always a real part and an imaginary part. Imaginary part is defined in terms of letter I. I means just square root of number -1, no? Okay, but we don't need this information, so just put it far away. So again, this is our first complex number and this one is the second one. So here is our real part of the second complex number and this one the imaginary part. So how do we add two complex numbers? Well, the rule is that we add the real parts, no, and the imaginary parts separately. So let's do that. So I'm gonna add the real parts first. I get 7 from here, 7 plus -8 from the second complex number, plus the imaginary parts, no? 3i from the first complex number, plus 9i from the second complex number. Now from here we just simplify. Plus minus, well, that makes a minus, no? So we get 7 minus 8 here. Well, that is simply -1. I'm just going to write -1 plus 3i plus 9i. Well, that is just 12i. So our answer is -1 plus 12i.